vehicle? Check out the 2013 CX-9. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. This 7-passenger crossover boasts unexpected styling, a powerful yet fuel-efficient engine, and standard luxuries. Safety also comes standard with the CX-9's 5-star governmental front and side impact crash test rating. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.